Hi bestie, it's your girl Karen, and today I'm unboxing the Baddie V-Day Box from Baddies and Budgets. You already know we're about to mix some self-love with some smart money moves. So let's go ahead and set the vibe first, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright besties, I'm back. And I'm ready to go ahead and get into this Baddie V-Day Box. Because I've been waiting to open this. And I just can't wait to get into all the things. Alright, I had to cover my address there. Let me know if you got the box in the comments. Alright, so the first thing I did see was this card here. And this box. So I guess I'll go ahead and start with this box first. Trying to get myself situated because I'm not really sure what I want to do. But yeah, I guess I'll start with this box. This Can We Be Your Budget Besties? Yes, and then on the back it just has Baddie's information. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's in the first box. Okay, yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Okay, so this is a safe. I remember seeing this. I think this was the first item that she showed us in the box. And this will be like my first safe that I've gotten. Well, this type of safe. Like this. Because I do have the fireproof safe. But something like this from the not the Planet community. Oh my gosh. From the cash stuffing community. This will be my first time receiving something like this. And in case of emotional spending. Man, I needed this already. I needed this because my emotional spending was today. I needed this. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and take all of the items out of the box and then I'm going to get right into it. Now, when I saw the box, I didn't know it was pink items that was in the box, but for some reason, I just been in the pink phase lately. You guys don't won me over with the pink, so I didn't mind it. And then I'm thinking about some of the things I might end up doing a giveaway. We shall see. We shall see. So I got all the things out of the box. Now I just gotta decide on what I'm gonna open up next. And I'm not sure where I want to start off with. Really not sure yet. So I open up this safe. I guess I'll do the tote bag here. Yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and open up the tote bag. So let me remove the plastic from it. Okay, so the bag has a dust bag. I did not know that. Okay, I did not know it. It is extremely... It's really nice. I like the dust bag. I didn't realize that the tote bag came with a dust bag. I didn't have any idea. Did you know that? Because I saw the tote bag. Oh, I just totally forgot all about it. But I like the dust bag. And because it's pink, to me, you want it to be protected. And you know, it's Planner Girls. If I'm going to use it, well, I'm not sure if you're Planner Girls, but I'm Planner Girl first. And then I get into the cash stuffing with pens and things like that. You don't want to damage it. So the dust bag is definitely a nice surprise. And this tote bag, it feels really, really nice, guys. It feels really nice. It has a strap to it. It's not a huge bag. But hey, I love bags and tote bags, period. And I can always find usage for a tote bag or a bag. And this is just too cute. This is just too cute. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna put in it. Man, this might be the bag that I keep my budget planner. Maybe I'll just keep all of my pink items in here. My pink budget planner and cash envelopes. It's cute, guys. It's really cute. I really like it. I just gotta decide what I'm gonna keep in it. But I really like the tote bag, and it's definitely gonna be used for sure. Because, like I said, I absolutely love bags. I'm a bag lady. I am a bag lady. Alright, so I guess I'll go ahead and open this up next. Man, I just remember when Starbucks Bear, their barista bear, when that thing showed up, some people was hot. They was hot about it. They was seriously hot. So, this is the Baddie the Bear. And it says a 20-ounce glass bottle. I didn't think it would be this big. I had no idea. And I'm not sure what the size of the one that Starbucks has. I used to collect Starbucks tumblers, mugs, everything. But I'm out of that phase because I have too many tumblers in my house. This is absolutely cute, and I have to definitely make sure my grandbaby cannot get to that. That is absolutely cute. I like it. But yeah, I have so many tumblers, and I need to get rid of them. And it's just crazy how I used to go out buying them daggone Starbucks tumblers and just collecting them. The obsession. And then now that I sit there and think about all that money I spent on those tumblers, I guess I should try to sell them. I don't know how many I got. I have too many. But last year, I did start using those tumblers because I was collecting them. So I wasn't even using my Starbucks tumblers, but last year I did start using them. So, this is the pen, and it has the pen case. Let me get a sticky note so I can test it out. The touch of the pen feels really nice and really nice quality. And I am a pen snob, so I cannot wait to see how this pen writes. I am extremely picky with my pens, and a lot of times when I receive pens in subscription boxes or boxes, I typically don't like them. Honestly, I don't typically like them, but this pen quality, it writes good too. It writes really good. It just glides and smooth. Rating this from a 1 to 10, I'll rate it as a 10. I like this pen. I really like it. I am hard to please, but I am pleased about this pen here. I am excited. I'm really excited because most of the time I'm just extremely disappointed when it comes to the pens. Alright, so now let's open up the next item. And I love the packaging that's used for the different products. I'm loving this packaging. Alright, so this is the bank bag. Love Baddie. And it will become a pen bag for me. I'll be placing some pens in there. I'm thinking maybe with it being a black bag, I might end up placing my pens in here that I can use for my black paper. Alright, so let's see. What am I going to open next? So far, I am pleased with all the things that I've opened. Definitely so far I can use all of those. So here are some stickers here. Let's see what's next I want to open. I'm trying to decide what's next. Okay, this. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I got another spiral cash envelope system. I got the black one for Christmas, and this one here is gorgeous. This is so cute. This is so cute. And when I saw this, I was so excited. Because this would definitely help me to reach one of my goals that I'm working on. So let's see, where do you open it up at? Is it at the top? Yeah. So the open is at the top. But yeah, I love this. I love it. Okay, so it saved $1,000 once you complete it. I love this. So now I have the $10 spiral cash envelope. Now I have the $20 one. Cool. I think that is so nice. So far, I'm loving the items that I got in this box. So we got some label stickers here. Alright, let me place that there. And let's see what else I got. Let's see what's in this package. So the package is not labeled, so I don't know what's in it until I open it. Okay, so these are some cash envelopes. This is like the pocket size. So pocket is what, A7? Yeah, pocket is A7. Because then the next size is personal ring. Now, one thing that throws me off in the cash envelope community, when people say A6, because the A6, it really throws me off because personal ring in A6 is not the same size. And sometimes that confuses me because in the planner world, we know it's a different where the rings are with the A6 and the personal rings. So that was definitely something I had to adjust to. Alright, and that is what those cash envelopes with the tab is for the personal ring. Alright, and this right here. Got a couple of these. Let me open it up. Alright, so I guess it's like vegan leather. I guess I'll just open out one of them. But it's an envelope in here, pink envelope. So it has the opening here. And then it does have a slot right here. If you have any recommendations of how to use those, let me know in a comment. Because I'm trying to think, and right now I'm really not sure. Alright, I think this is the pocket binder. I think that's what this is. The A7. Because looking at the other one I got, the other one looks a little bit bigger. The dust bag is extremely soft. Okay. So I did see this. Okay, so, and then you can't adjust it because the way it's made. And this is definitely different. It's definitely different. So it has several card slots and pockets. Okay, so it has like a coin purse here. Alright, trying to see the storages. Yeah, it has several spaces for storages. Yeah, you have your storage here. So you definitely can hold a lot in here. And I guess it has the pen loop. And then right here. I might have to use it because I don't have an A7. Yeah, I did use the A7 cash wallet a couple of years ago. But let me go ahead and add the cash envelopes to it. And the cash envelopes are nice because they do have the tabs on there. And then you have the labels where you can go ahead and label them. Now, I don't think I would use this as like a cash wallet. If I was to use it, not like a cash wallet. I mean, I could use it as for like if I start to do like mini Mondays or something like this, I probably would use it for that. I don't know, I might use it for some planning something. Not sure. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get to the next one. Let me go ahead and place this one in here. And let's see if this is the same. Because I think they said it's the personal ring size along with the pocket size. Alright, so let me get that. Alright, let me go ahead and open this one. But yeah, I have to decide on if I'm going to use the binders. It's definitely different. It's just like when the Christmas when I had got the red velvet, that was definitely different as well. You know what I probably could use it as when it comes to like my granddaughter and my great niece, savings for them. Yeah, this is, now I could definitely see. Okay, so this one right here, it does have a clasp on here. I didn't even pay attention to see if it had it on the other one, but I'm sure it is on the other one as well. Cool. So you can remove this from it. You can remove that from it. But I definitely could see my daughter carrying this as a purse. I could see her. I don't know if she would like it as a purse, but I can imagine her going out with this. But the only thing, it has the rings in it. But let me go ahead and add the cash envelopes to this. But yeah, I have to decide on how I would utilize the pocket and this personal ring binder. I have to think about that. Or will I give it away or give it to like my daughter or somebody? Not sure. But I think that's basically it, besties. But let me know what's your favorite item out of the box and what's your least favorite. It's hard to decide what's my favorite because I have so many things that I absolutely like in this box. Not sure. I think the least, well, I don't even know. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I want to thank you for taking time out your busy schedule to join me in today's unboxing. Alright, bestie. Have a blessed day. Toodles!